morning, mates. Good morning, everyone. This is my report. Article 264, qualified serious physical injury. Qualified serious physical injuries is if the offense is committed against a person enumerated in the article defining the crime of parricide, Article 246, or with the attendance of any of the circumstances mentioned in the article defining the crime of murder. The law provides higher penalties on the Article 263 paragraph next to the last. Serious physical injuries by excessive chastisement by parents are not qualified. So, kani siya nga article dili qualified o injuries na panversan na kosya sa excessive chastisement sa usa ka parent. Penalties referred to the paragraph next to the last article of Article 263 are not being imposed on a parent who inflicted physical injuries upon his child. Excessive chastisement. So, kung ikaw usa ka parent nga imong imong anak dili ka ay imong na imong example imong gikunalan na siya physical injury dili siya qualified ani nga article. Article 264 administrate injurious substance or beverages. The penalties established by the next preceding article shall be applicable in the respective case to any person who has intent to kill shall inflict upon another any serious physical injury by knowingly administering to him any injurious substance or beverages or taking advantage of his weakness of his mind or credibility or penalty. So sa qualified serious physical injuries kani siya mahimo ni siya kay dili applicable kung sa case of sa person applicable din siya kung wala kay intention nga patyon mo siya or wala kay inflict upon other serious physical injury kanang serious nga physical injury o imo siya take advantage ang iyang weakness sa iyang mind or na siya panghuna or na siya kanay diferensya sa panguna-una o imo siya example kung ang buwang abi imo siyang gikulata tungod kay wala ra mahimo na siya nga qualified serious physical injury. Elements that the offender inflicted upon another any serious physical injury. Ang offender ko na inflict siya sa kunsa nga serious physical injury. That it was done by knowingly administering to him the injurious substance or beverages by taking advantage of weakness of mind or credulity. Mahimo ni siya nga qualified serious injury o imo gi-take advantage ang usa ka person nga na siya weakness sa iyang panghuna-huna o number 3, that he had no intent to kill. Wala siya intensyon nga patyon niya ang usa ka tawo pero grabe ang damage nga nimong nabuhat sa iya. It is frustrated murder when there is intent to kill. Kung sa kay intention nga patyon nimo siya, pwede na siya mahulog sa frustrated murder. If the offender had any intention to kill, the crime would be frustrated murder, the injurious substance to be considered as poison. So, nakay kinahanglan nga ay nakay plano nga patyon nimo siya, ang injurious substance or drugs or mga ilimnon nga makadaot or pwede na siya i-consider nga poison kay tungod niya na kay intention nga patyon nimo siya. By knowingly administering to him any injurious substance, if the accused did not know of the injurious nature of the substance administered, he is not liable in this article. Diri naningon siya nga wala ka kabalo nga maka-injury dahil na siya nga substance or makapatay dahil na siya nga substance or kanang mga drugs or any other nga mga toxins nga wala ka kabalo nga makapatay dahil niya siya or makakuan sa usa ka person, dili siya mahimong liable sa aning article sa Article 264. The penalty for qualified serious physical injury according to the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines is prison mayor on its minimum period to prison mayor in its medium period. So ang prison mayor is 6 years to 12, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Ang imong penalty ani is 6 years to 8 years. Article 265, less serious physical injury. Less serious physical injuries administering injurious substance means introducing into the body the substance. So kani siya imong gina-introduce sa body sa tawo ang kaning mga substance. The infliction of injuries by throwing more than chemicals or poisons on the face or upon the body is not contemplated in this article. So kung imong siya, imong siyang naka-intend, injure mo siya by throwing more than chemical o kana makapatay mga chemicals or poison sa nawong or sa lawas is not contemplated in this article. So wala siya na following article because that is not administering injurious substance or beverages. Kaya tungod wala na siya ka-administer nga dili na siya maka-injury nga substance or mga ilimnon. Article 264 does not apply when the physical injuries that result are less or serious or slight. If as a result of administering injurious substance, only less serious or slight physical injuries are inflicted, they will be treated under Article 265 or Article 266 as the case may be. So, kani siya kung ang result sa imong pagkuhan sa substance or sa kuan or slight physical injuries imong na-inflicted sa iya ha, pwede ni siya makakuan sa Article 264 or Article 265 or Article 266 depende sa kaso. Article 264 specifically mentions any serious physical injury. So ang Article 264 nag-mention siya nga bisag unsa nga serious basta physical injury. Weakness of the mind or credulity kanang nakay differential sa panguna-una or insanity or kanang kulang-kulang ka by taking advantage of his weakness of his mind or credulity may take place in the case of witchcraft, filters, magnetism, etc. So kani siya na mana ni siya kanang murag tigay magnet siya ba nga murag dulra ko na sila tungod kay na siya ay kwan differential sa panguna-una. Article 265 lists physical injuries. Any person who shall inflict another physical injuries will not describe the person in the preceding articles. So ang kaniyang listeners physical injury, any person nga mag-inflict of harm or physical injury sa katawo or to any other person, but which shall incapacitate the offended party for labor for 10 days or more shall require medical assistance for the same period. O ang injury sa usa ka tawo kay lapaw og sa ulong adlaw nga magtrabaho siya 10 days the same period, kinahanglan mo siya nga bayaran mo ang iyang trabaho ana na sa ulong adlaw. She shall be guilty of less serious physical injuries and shall suffer the penalty of arrest mayor. O kanipon siya o mga imong na-inflict nga person dili siya makatrabaho og ulong adlaw kwan ka guilty ka sa kwan sa less serious physical injury or mag-suffer ka sa penalty nga arresto mayor. Whenever this less serious physical injury shall have been inflicted with a manifest intent to insult or offend the injured person, kung whenever kuno nga less serious physical injury shall have been inflicted sa katawo with a manifest kung nakay intention niya insulton siya or offend the injured person under the circumstance, adding ignominy to fine not exceeding 500 pesos. Makabayad ka og 500 pesos pataas shall be imposed any less serious physical injuries inflicted upon the offender's parents, assistants, guardians, curators, and teachers. So, makabayad ka aning 500 pesos sa mga kwan sa iyang mga mama or unsa ba and curators, teachers. Or persons of rank, persons in authority shall be punished o kanang mga tao nga police, like for example, or person in authority shall suffer by prison correctional in its minimum period and minimum and medium period, provided that the case of the person in authority the deed does not constitute the crime of assault upon such person. So, kung ikaw person in authority ka, imo na gibuhat sa usa ka tawo, pwede ka mag-suffer ka sa penalty prison correctional in its minimum and medium periods. Matters to be noted of the crime of less serious physical injuries. Muna siya ang kinahanglan natong i-note sa crime of less serious physical injuries. 1. That the offended party is incapacitated for labor for 10 days or more but not more than 30 days or needs medical attendance. So muna siya considered siya nga less serious physical injury kung dili makatrabaho og 10 ka adlaw hangtod sa 30 ka adlaw, dili mo labaw og 30 ka adlaw nga kinahanglan siya og medical attention, ma-cover ni siya as less serious physical injury. That the physical injuries must not be those described in the preceding articles. Thus, if the incapacity is more than 30 days or the illness lasts for more than 30 days, it is a serious physical injury under the paragraph 4 of the Article 263. So, ang injury nga na-suffered sa usa ka person is more than 30 days na mo last yaw more than 30 days, it will be considered as serious physical injury under sa paragraph 4 of the Article 263. Qualified less serious physical injuries. 1. A fine not exceeding 500 pesos in addition to arresto mayor shall be imposed for less physical injuries when kanang a fine mga dili mo gamay sa 500 pesos shall be imposed siya sa less serious physical injuries kung A. There is manifest intent to insult or offend the injured person. Nago ka intention nga imo siyang insultohon or i-offend ang usa ka tawo. B. There are circumstances adding ignominy to the offense. Number 2, higher penalty is imposed when the victim is either, taas ang penalty kung victim is either the offender's parents, ascendants, guardians, curators, or teachers, persons of rank, and persons of authority provided by the crime is not direct assault. So, higher ang penalty nga ma-impose ani o imong kapag example or imong anak or any other related sa family kay person in authority, mas higher ang imong penalty. Medical attendance or incapacity is required in less serious physical injuries. So required good siya ang medical attendance. The law includes 2 subdivisions dealing with 1. Inability for work and 2. The necessity for medical attendance. So kini siya daw kinahanglan kini siya nga dili ka makatrabaho kung sa tao nga injury dili ka makatrabaho dili kinahanglan og medical attendance so that although the wound required medical prevented from attending his ordinary labor for a period of 29 days, the physical injury are dominated less og 29 days ra nga dili ka makatrabaho or kinahanglan ka og medical attention nga makabot og 29 days ra dili ka makatrabaho, mahimo ni siya nga less serious physical injuries. Less serious. Example sa US versus Trinidad, Philippines, 152, People versus Olavides, and 40 OJ sa Supreme Court. That's all mates. Thank you so much.